What happens when a MotoGP engineer wakes up one day and says, "I'm bored. Let's build a V8 superbike"? You get the PGM V8, the most outrageous, over-engineered, wallet-destroying naked bike Australia has ever unleashed. This isn't a boss hoss with a car engine stuffed into a frame. This isn't a gimmick. This is a 2.0-liter, 334 horsepower, hand-built engineering flex created by Paul G. Maloney, a man who spent years in MotoGP and WSBK before deciding the world didn't have enough insanity. And honestly, he was right. The legend born in a workshop, not a factory. Maloney didn't want a motorcycle that borrowed a V8 engine. He wanted a V8 built for a motorcycle, from the crankshaft to the heads. So he did something no normal human would attempt. He took two Yamaha R1 cylinder heads, merged them into a custom crankcase, built a flat plane crank V8, and tuned it until it screamed at 12,800 RPM like a MotoGP bike injected with rocket fuel. The numbers? Pure stupidity, in the best possible way. 334 HP, 214 Newton-meters of torque, 2.0-liter V8, carbon bodywork, Öhlins race suspension, Brembo Superbike brakes, Marchesini forged wheels, hand-built one by one. This is not a motorcycle. This is an engineering resume that says, I can outbuild every factory on Earth. Fight me. But here's where the debate starts. Is the PGM V8 a masterpiece, or just an expensive ego project? Sure, it makes 334 horsepower, but it also costs $180,000 USD. It's hand-built, but try doing a U-turn, and you'll feel all 2 liters of V8 asking you, are we seriously doing this? Sure, it's exclusive, but good luck finding parts outside Australia. And fuel economy? Forget it. This thing drinks like it's celebrating every day of the year. So the question is simple. Is this bike a brilliant engineering achievement, or just pointless overkill that nobody needs? Would you buy a PGM V8 if you had the money, or would you rather own 5 other superbikes instead? I want to see the comments section explode. Riders, mechanics, engineers, let's hear it. Drop your take below and let the debate begin. Page/page.